Someone asked for a hiccup question and answer video. Hiccup a question.
So it's like pinkishy. It's cute. And it's really dusty out there. It's like so powdery.
Good morning, guys. We are going to be on our way to laundromat soon, and then later we're gonna go to my grandma's house. Yes, I didn't do anything. Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at Vanessa's haircut. Oh my god, I'm so jealous.
My haircut.
We're going to be going into Burger King. Look at Vanessa. She looks so comfy and so cute. I was going to see this hair isn't working out for me. It's pretty gross. I was going to eat the Halloween Whopper, but they didn't have any more of it, so it's too late for me. Look at Vanessa's hair.
Ai nè.
Hey, telephone.
Con mai thằng ó ơi, con mai thằng ó nhưng mới chắc là hơi mai nhưng ăn thơm à nhâm ta lộn á nè nhâm ta lộn
Potato chips.
Oh, the spicy.
nhưng mới chắc mạnh sai chu mẹ ôn à hai tình mà đón pi cái đồng chân là ha
Yeah, that's my mom.
mới chắc mạnh đằng
My mom is mom.
ăn thơm
This is my
nè
mom. This is her mom. This is my mom.
chắc mạnh
And she don't count. Oh, Lucky.
Yeah.
Lucky, you miss me?
ăn thơm có
Cause I'm broken.
It's ice store con.
What are you talking about?
nhưng mới chắc mạnh đó này
We can eat this one. Yeah, Biggie, want some? You love me too much. Valerie and I are going to be going into Halloween City. Fine, you can have one. This one cute very much. These candies are the bomb. That kind. I just noticed that you guys can even see. Oh, bird poop. Halloween Town?
Because in 16 they have to have their own photo shoots, and she was holding a skull like this.
Hello? Hello? Oh no, they talk to it like this. Hello? And then it would like... I wish they had something like that. We are so Asian. I love the way you move. I like this a lot. Hello. I love that one. Oh my god. I have been trying so hard to upload this vlog, and I edited it yesterday. Like, I finished editing it. I tried to upload it yesterday, but it's not working. It's still not working now. It's 7:15 p.m. right now. I have no idea what to do. I hate when my computer says I'm running out of disk space and stuff. There's nothing on my laptop. Oh my god. Hey Carla, I can't actually reply to your comment. So yeah. that's you, but it's not working. But hey. I actually don't know why Valerie was crying. That's a very old vlog, and I don't remember that day. But yeah. Good morning, guys. It is like super chilly. Valerie actually came into my room this morning and was like telling me how many degrees it is right now and how many degrees it's gonna be later on, and I was like, holy hell, that is really freaking cold. So I have like layers on layers on layers, and I'm actually wearing my Uggs outside for the first time. Yeah, I've had these boots for like over a year now, and I've never worn them outside because I keep them inside like as if they're slippers, but obviously they're not. I also have my mittens on, but I actually took this one off so that I could like open up my phone so I could vlog. Rachel and I are gonna be going downstairs. Never been down here before. So hey Rachel.
What?
You want a cookie?
Yes.
Hey Rachel.
What?
You want a cookie?
I always want cookies, don't tempt me.
Hello guys. Well, I'm gonna start cooking some chicken. I just finished washing my hands. So now I gotta sauce it. Yeah. So I'm just cooking right now because it's like 3:32, and Vicky's, she has to wait until rehearsals, and it starts at 5 and it's only 3:32, and she's been waiting there since 1:50 or so. And now I just only got to finish one homework, and I have to start cooking because Valerie's about to come home soon and she's gonna be hungry. Just doing my mom's recipe for chicken sauce. I cut my chickens into like cutlets or so. See? Small. And I put some salt in. My mom was all about like, you just eye it and put it in. And this is like bichang. I don't know what it's called in American. Oops. Valerie loves, we call it red chicken because it's the color of the chicken turns red after you put the sauce. So yeah, and Valerie loves this chicken, so I'm making it for her. And I'm gonna make some for Vicky too. But since she's gonna ride home around 9:30ish, I have to make it later for her. So right now I'm just saucing it. I'm gonna have to wait so it can go through. And lastly, this.
I'm not doing this right. I'm not doing it right. It's supposed to look like that. What am I?
If I could get it to open, I'm gonna have to go for scissors. Dun-dun. Got it open. So it's like pinkishy. It's cute. And it's really dusty out there. It's like so powdery. And I just used one whole package. Maybe I'll cook some eggs and fry some onions. Valerie loves fried onions. And green peppers. They're so good. And then maybe I'll just have like a basket full of lettuce. Because we like to eat lettuce just raw. It tastes pretty good.
Oh my god. I just got back home and I realized I did not vlog at rehearsal, but basically we were there we were basically hands-on the whole time. Well, not really hands-on, but we were moving a lot, and we like got straight into our places and stuff like that. We didn't actually have an actual place, but we were like randomly moving chairs through each moment in this project, whatever. Nothing's set in stone. There are no like blockings and stuff, but I really got to start memorizing my lines now. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I could not upload my vlog. I will have to talk to Apple support again, and this time I'm not gonna delete a lot of things that I think are useless because they're probably not useless. It's my tea from this morning. Actually, it's the vanilla chai. so it's not actually like tea, but it's tea, you know what I mean? It was like giving me a little bit of a stomach ache because I didn't really eat anything. I ate like a few crackers and some candies. That's it. So yeah. I was almost going to go eat burgers with Michael because he offered, but no. I said no because I have no money. Well, I have money, but it's bus money. Hey Masika, thank you for your comment and thank you for trying to help me out. But for the eye photos, I literally have nothing here. Nothing, no photos, no nothing. Even in the trash. And this is pretty new in the trash area. But yeah. Oh, whoa, hold on. Masika, I think you saved my life. Oh my gosh. Look at all of this. Look at it. Look at them go. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh my gosh, Masika, you are amazing. I love you. Thank you so much for helping. And also thank you for still watching my vlogs. I know you're a loyal subby of mine.
Good morning to Tumblr. I said that to Wall earlier and he was like, you're so ghetto. And I was like, very exciting day today because my friend and I are going to...
Okay, this is the face that you're gonna see throughout this day. Because I need a break from makeup. Man, you guys know how insecure I am about my skin. I have a lip balm tint on. This is the best for the winter, you guys. The e.l.f. lip balm tint, super duper hydrating. Gotta make sure you cover the ears. Oh no, it popped off. Scarf is still covering my ears. It smells like the aftermath of fireworks. But anyway, you guys, I uploaded the vlog. I finally got it up because of Masika. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Look at the beautiful waters. I look so scrubby and she looks so cute. Her outfit. My outfit. Her outfit. My outfit. Who are you today? About us going into V-Mart.
Watching Nerdy Numbers book. We're going to V-Mart. It used to be Bang, but they changed the owner now, so it's V-Mart. Yeah, that's my mom walking over there. Vicky, looking all stylish. Finally wearing her Ugg boots out. Already has a stain.
No! No! How could I do that? I'm so stupid.
We gotta go. Oh, we're gonna enter. Oh, did she go this way? She went this way. This way, Vicky. I don't know if it's okay to vlog.
It's okay.
You know me? Okay, I just did some crime right here. Oh, out of my boundaries. We're gonna buy me bye noodles. I love me bye, but as long as I have lime. I need lime with my me bye because it tastes best. Kimchi flavor, Vicky. No, kimchi flavor. No more. Oh, there's me bye. 1, 2. Go, Naz.
And you guys know this one.
Do budget.
We used to like these, right?
think so. To carry these and vlog at the same time, and it's $2. Do a commercial. There my mama is. Look at aloe. Oh, look at this little boy. That's my favorite basil seed. I love basil seed drinks. They're like the best of the best.
It's 75 cents?
I should have bring my wallets in the car.
I have some money in my pocket.
Sorry for my way of vlogging. Yeah, I moved too much. There, Vicky. Model walk now, Vicky. Move back a little. Now model walk. She's horrible.
I put a little something on my lips because I felt like I looked like a zombie with pale, unpigmented lips. Vanessa has very pigmented lips, but I have like none. So I put on my e.l.f. lip balm tint, and I also put on, I feel like I've said this in the morning. And then I dabbed this on top. I also pulled out the big bottle, and I filled it up with hot water because I'm pretty cold right now. Going down to go to rehearsal. Got my keys. Today's gonna be the day for the first time where I actually do rehearsal without makeup.
Wait, hold up. Thanks for getting that chicken soup.
What?
It's a good look on you.
Yeah, I'm thinking about keeping it. Spruce up my wardrobe.
Oh my gosh, I just got my very first magazine mailed to me. This was so random, but I love it because Zendaya's on it. I showered because I felt disgusting. And it's 1:05 a.m. right now. Just watching Cafe Lights. As usual. Okay, you can't even see. You can't even see her face. Her beautiful face. This is an old video, but I love bronzers. Like, I've been really on a kick with like bronzers. So I just want to know what bronzers she likes the most, because I usually love everything that she loves. It's like so weird. Well, actually it's not that weird. We both have really dry skin, so I think that kind of helps. As well as Jacqueline Hill. She helps a lot too. It is drizzling out. I didn't realize. But I have no umbrella anyway. I do have a hoodie. Anyway, I'm doing the no makeup again, except I did put on some mascara, as you can see. Woo! I'm smelling something nasty. I have no umbrella, and today I have to take the bus. Oh man, oh man. Do I even have a quarter on me? This is a nickel. Oh no. Huh? Ooh, you should do that. Thaw it out or something? What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, because she might want to go. I think she would like to go. But today I took the bus.
Yeah, mommy got me birthday, and she didn't get you guys anything because you guys are like picky when it comes to food.
That's really true. And on the bus, I basically was memorizing my lines. I memorized a lot more. And then after I finished some memorizing. I went and I was like, oh, I can memorize another one. The next part that I have to memorize is so long. Girl.
Black. I just got back from school. Now we're just gonna walk to Dunkin's. It's not too long of a walk, but it's not pretty far either. Oh, when
That's the same thing.
When mommy was coming, we were driving home, there was an ambulance right there.
Wait, what?
There was an ambulance at the front of our street.
Why? Where?
Like this corner over here.
Oh, why?
I guess some lady hurt herself. Right out.
Feels nice outside, actually.
Well, I got this on too, and it feels good too.
It is not hot. It is not hot outside, but it's not cold either. But it's not warm.
It's a little breezy.
It's like warm, but it's more to the cold side. Okay, guys. I thought it was a pole. So we just got out of Dunkin' Donuts, as you can see.
This is the sandwich.
And yeah. And these are the munchkins.
And yeah.
So Valerie and Vanessa went to Dunkin' Donuts and they got some munchies. I think my taste buds are changing.
Number 5, like usual. Bacon, egg, cheese on a bagel.
Number 5. Bag. It's like, I don't know, it's so hard. What are you watching? Oh. I used to get the tuna one all the time, but then one time near my school, whatever, my campus, I was like really hungry, and I went to go get it, and I asked for, I just said the number on the menu, and they gave me the chicken one, and I was like, oh, this is actually chicken. But I ate it anyway, and it tasted so good. Oh man. Could you get me one too? Oh, thank you.
No surprise.
Pacific Cooler. And then there's Vanessa.
No, Vanessa, bad.
Soda.
Bad for
It tastes so good.
How can I resist? Oh my gosh.
But I did bad for you. You shouldn't be drinking this.
Like you don't drink it. Look what you're doing. Stealing.
Stealing guns. Stealing guns. Stealing guns.
저들은 알았는데 그렇긴 하네.
Mickey's so warm.
저들이 있고. 내 아버지, 엄마 아버지 이외에는 다 그러네.
She's saying two parts. This smells so good. I just watched the music video by Twice, and I was kind of disappointed. My script looks so disgusting. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. This was a while ago though, because of my extra virgin olive oil that was on a napkin. Because I was taking off my liquid lipstick. Good morning guys. Back with the no makeup again, except for something on my lips. Yeah, I'm really gonna try and go through with this. Trying to not wear any face makeup for a while, because yeah, I basically wear it like every day. I love doing my makeup, but I know when I need to stop, so I'm gonna take a break. This is a break from makeup. Yeah, just waiting for those little boogers to come down so we could go to school. Look at how pretty that is. I get to walk by this almost every single day. Hey guys, I haven't been vlogging all day, but I am back on campus because Vanessa forgot her psychology book, so I'm gonna pick it up for her, and also because I need to renew my book, my library book that's like due today, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, I haven't been vlogging all day. I've basically been like sleeping, so, and then after this I have to go to the Howell building because of rehearsals, So you guys might not see me all too often today. Hopefully I get more tomorrow. Tomorrow is another rehearsal actually. So, also, no makeup again. I just watched a video with from Dulce Candy on YouTube, and she regrets her plastic surgery on her nose. Yeah. I'm wearing Vanessa's shoes. Yeah, she said that she's not gonna wear them anymore because it has a hole in it. But I really like beaten up shoes. I like the way they look. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so nice outside. I just want to stay outside. Like, and just sit outside and just sit and stay outside. I just renewed my book. Now it's going to be due November 12th, I believe. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I forgot it, which was exactly what I was going to the school for. I got Vanessa's psychology book that she left, so I'm all set. Now I'm just going to be walking over to rehearsal. I just want to stay outside. Feels nice. The water's pretty. Like, this is the best setting ever, and it's not like, look at the sky. It looks so nice. I love it when the sky looks like that. It's not bright, well, not too bright, but it's just, it's perfect. I wish I had a t-shirt like that, in that pattern right there, that cloudy pattern is beautiful.
Show it off, everybody.
Trump.
Owen kept laughing when I was doing it. I realized Owen always laughs at my stuff, so I have to.
We finished improv rehearsals.
We did.
Early.
It was great.
Early.
Always is. It's all good. We're gonna go have burgers now, or some animal.
Probably.
Yeah.
If I had money. Nah.
Oh yeah, that's
Funny.
a thing. Mhm.
We're not actually.
We'll just pull up our pants and give a little leg. Get anything free that way. You don't know where you are. You shouldn't be here.
Obsessed with streets.
Mhm.
With these lights in the trees, street lights.
They're all blinking.
So beautiful.
Wait, it's not even Halloween yet.
That was like watching the moon that embraces the sun with Valerie and Vanessa. Now I came out. I went to go make myself some noodles because I barely ate all day. And I just have no appetite. Like, I'm not hungry at all. Like, before I was like hungry, but once I get back home, I'm just not hungry anymore, and I just don't eat as much as I did before now. I'm like trying to force myself to eat something so that I have something in my stomach. Good afternoon. Well, still morning. It's 11:31 a.m. I've been in bed the whole time. I woke up at 10. And Vanessa was at school. My mom is picking her up. Well, actually, they left Market Basket. They're going to make a pit stop at Valerie's school. I don't know why. Maybe to give money for Valerie's bus driver or whatever. Because she has to pay like $25 a week. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so yeah, I'm in that face thing, pimples, stuff happening again. My mom bought 20 gallons of water. You guys know how much I hate it when she goes to Market Basket to buy water because she buys a freaking boatload of it. And it's ridiculous because we're on the 3rd floor and we have to bring all of those gallons of water upstairs. 20 gallons. 20 gallons. Today I have rehearsals for the Laramie project. I'm so excited because I love rehearsals. I love rehearsals. I love improv rehearsals. I love the Laramie project rehearsal. I just love being at rehearsal. And what else was I going to say? Oh, I also love how they call us Lights of Laramie. like I get emails like about rehearsals and stuff since I'm not on Facebook. I don't have a Facebook. So but apparently they call us Lights of Laramie's, the cast Lights of Laramie's. I think that is just so cute. And then the stage manager, he like puts that emoji, those starry emojis, in after Lights of Laramie's. I think it's just so cute. I really don't want to go downstairs. I don't even know if I can see you. Are you ready? Oh my god! It's gonna die! Got it! Got it! By the tips of your fingers! It was my pinky! I got it! Awesome, Mickey! Rachel! Keep dancing!
I gotta go.
No, you're wrong. I hate it.
Oh, no, I gotta go there.
Did you even get a snippet of me?
No, I did not. That's why I asked your permission first.
I'm gonna let it be.
Permission for Rachel's real, authentic dance.
Don't ruin this.
Hold out.
The beat fell apart.
Not really, but you know.
I'm a bee. Nice.
Literally sounds like an afterthought. Like they're like, oh, we forgot about it. Put it there.
It is like really cold right now. Apparently it's fall. And I didn't notice. I'm just kidding, I did notice. But I act like it's not. We just ended rehearsal. We did a lot more blocking and stuff. That was cool, right? Right?
Oh, I didn't know you were talking to me.
I'm back home. And I've been home for a couple hours now. I changed into this sweatshirt from Vanessa. Sailor Moon, because I love Sailor Moon. I'm trying to force myself to eat chicken. But like, for the past couple of days, I just have no desire to eat. I'm like forcing it down my throat right now because I know I need to eat. Also, I'm watching Wendy Williams because she always makes me happy. I love her so much. Look at her face right now. She looks like a goddess. Look at her outfit. Beautiful. I love her hair right now. Yeah. I gotta watch some videos on how to do a Texan accent. And then I gotta do some homework. Good morning! It is Saturday and I was just watching some makeup videos again. So, Jesus Christ. I have homework to do, but later today I'm going to be going to the mall.
So Vicky, this is what... Mommy, show Vicky! Show her. What? Show her, Mommy.
I cut myself, look.
Oh, Mommy! Mommy! What the heck? Mommy! What the heck, Mommy? Why would you show me your cut? Oh, I hate seeing cuts. Like, they make my fingers cringe. They make my fingers cringe a lot. I have to shower. I was going to just wake up and just go, like, in this, and maybe put on some pants, some different pants, and just go with my hair like this, but it's not that cute. Valerie has to go to an open house today at around 12. Right, Valerie? Okay, so it starts at 12, and she's gonna leave at around 11:30 or something. When does Vanessa get out?
She gets out 11:50.
Oh.
I wanted to go to school. I had to go to this open.
I thought you wanted to go.
I did, but at the same time, I like going to Vanessa's school better.
Anyway, my hair doesn't look that cute. Let's look at the back. That ain't cute. Well, this side's a little cute. This side's not. Like, look at that. I have to read this book by Monday. My gosh.
No exit.
I heard this is, yeah, I thought of that too. And I also have to edit my vlog today. I have to make sure that's up before, well, at 9. Well, actually, what time did I decide to do it? At like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., something like that. Hopefully I get it up. And if I don't get it up at like 2 or 3 a.m., it's probably going to be up at like 9 a.m. Also, I decided I will do a question and answer video. I got a question from Hayden under my last vlog's comment section. Someone asked for a hiccup question and answer video. I will probably call the question and answer video Hiccup a Question for me. If you have any questions regarding anything, just ask me and I will probably answer. Okay. Yep. Hiccup a question for me. I look terrible. This pimple hurts so bad. This pimple got dark. I put a spot treatment on it and it got dark.
Yeah. That's good. See, come on my feet because these are jean shoes. So cold. Oh, you think I'm not cold? Thank you on the right side.
My grandma. My grandma. This is my grandma.
Tôi nhầm cái tiêu kia đâu. Tiêu tao.
Got sock. I.
À.
Sure she is. I feel like a supermodel. Where you going? 누구야? No? You're so cute. 여기야. 6:23.
6:23.
I was singing, Vicky.
But the song was ending anyway.
In the middle of singing, got 7.
But it was ending, so it's not the middle of Vicky. It's the end of.
Well, whatever.
Vicky.
We're at someone's house. No, we're not in there. We're just at like outside. My mom's inside.
Yep.
Oh, I don't like this song, but I do like the flute. Can't put this on too long before copyright. We're gonna be going into the mall now. This is another reason why I don't want kids. Do you hear that screaming? That's for a kid. That's for a kid. I'm wearing my coat today for the first time in a while. Huh? Valerie, could you be my pointer? Okay, so the first one. Okay, those two are from the Too Faced. Yeah, those two shadows right there, the small ones, they're from the Too Faced Natural Matte Eye Palette, which I want so bad. And the next one, this is the Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer that I want so bad. It's in Chocolate Soleil. There's like a milk chocolate and then there's a dark chocolate, but this is just the regular chocolate for tan, medium skin. And then the first one right there is the Pro Fusion Makeup Forever Bronzer. Oh my god, it's in 30M and it is beautiful. I've been like on a bronzer kick. What is she doing? So beautiful. They didn't feel like they could do anything. Like they didn't feel like they were able to have any input at all, and I felt like I should have been more aware of that. But we all learned that lesson in the end, being aware and not focusing on the ending result. I guess that's what I took out. That's what I took from it. It's about like the process and stuff.